If you have ever wished you could hand an entire task to AI instead of working through it one prompt at a time, then Claude Cowork is built for exactly that kind of workflow. The idea here is pretty simple. Rather than sitting in a chat and guiding Claude through every step, you describe the outcome you want, hand off the task, and Claude gets to work across your files, connected tools, and even your browser when needed. So let's jump in and get started with Claude Cowork. First, it's important to understand what makes Cowork different from a normal Claude conversation. In a regular chat, you and Claude work together step by step. You ask for something, Claude responds, and then you decide what happens next. With Cowork, the process feels much closer to delegation. You explain the task, Claude creates a plan, waits for approval, and then carries out the work while you focus on something else. To get started, open the Claude desktop app on either macOS or Windows and click the Cowork tab. This feature is available for Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise users. Once you're inside, the first thing you'll want to do is connect a folder from your computer. This is where Cowork becomes especially practical. You can select a project folder, a work directory, or even a location like your Downloads folder. Claude asks for permission before it makes any changes, which means you stay in control of your files. After access is granted, Claude can read, create, edit, and organize files directly inside that folder. You can also favorite frequently used folders or connect multiple locations if your work spans different projects. Next, let's connect some tools. Cowork supports connectors that allow Claude to access services where your information already lives. That includes platforms like Google Drive, Notion, and Slack. Instead of manually copying information between systems, Claude can pull context directly from those sources. For a growing business, that could mean gathering notes from Notion, reviewing documents in Google Drive, and checking team discussions in Slack, all within a single task. Then there's browser access. If you've already set up Claude in Chrome, Cowork can use it to work across web pages and browser tabs while working on a larger workflow. This allows Claude to read websites, extract information, gather research, and navigate between pages as part of a larger workflow. So rather than collecting information manually, you can delegate much of that process to Claude. Before we run a task, there is one more useful setting worth checking. Under the Cowork settings menu, you can create global instructions. These instructions apply to every session. For example, you might tell Claude that you work in marketing, that reports should always be created as Word documents instead of Markdown files, or that project summaries should follow a specific format. Because of that, Claude starts every task with a better understanding of how you prefer to work. Now let's look at a real example. Imagine your Downloads folder has become a mess after months of use. There are PDFs, spreadsheets, screenshots, presentations, duplicate files, and random documents spread everywhere. You connect that folder and ask Claude to organize it. More specifically, you tell Claude to scan the contents, propose categories, recommend naming conventions, identify duplicates, and show the plan before making any changes. Claude analyzes the folder and returns a complete proposal. It suggests separate folders for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, images, and duplicate files. It also recommends naming conventions and flags several files that appear to be redundant. At this point, you still have control. Let's say you review the flagged files and realize two of them are different versions that you want to keep. You simply tell Claude to move those files into a review folder and continue with the rest of the plan. Claude updates the workflow and proceeds. While it works, you can monitor progress from the task panel. You can open individual actions, review details, and ask follow-up questions. The important thing here is that Claude is not just describing what should happen. Files are actually being organized and updated directly on your machine. When the task finishes, your Downloads folder is cleaner, more organized, and much easier to navigate. And that really captures the purpose of Claude Cowork. Instead of helping you perform a task, it helps you delegate one. Claude creates a plan, waits for approval, adapts to feedback, and then executes the work. Just remember that Cowork sessions are stored locally on your device, and the desktop application needs to remain open while tasks are running. That was all. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to share your experience in the comments.